guys, it's Bliss and bringing you an 84 plus overall fan favorite player pack opening. And only bringing this to you guys because I haven't uploaded in a week. I was going to try to go for the 87, but it's been legitimately over a week since I've uploaded and I have nothing else to upload because there just hasn't been much content in either of the games. So 85 overall Clint Capela, not bad. And I get some achievements, but I do have 1,000 cash just from overall. Do I still have the power? No, just from beating the objectives and stuff. Like log in 15 days, get you 500, 10 days. Stuff like that, and the correct 5 shooting guard is 5. So if you just do everything, you can get over 1,000 NBA cash like I already have. 5 centers, 5 small forwards. See? So I'm up to 1,041. And so they're all under franchise manager. Do an 85 lineup gets you 10. Complete over 20 achievements get you 100. Oh yeah. So I do like what I did there. Let's put Capela as a starter. I can train him up. 25k, that's a lot low. But I can get it. But this is Bliss signing out. Peace.